Hey guys, listen. Being delusional in the right way can actually be a secret weapon. Believe in yourself so hard that reality has no choice but to catch up. Imagine wild success, unstoppable confidence, insane abundance, and act like it's already yours. Delusion? Maybe, but sometimes it's just vision with no evidence yet. Be delusional enough to believe in a life no one sees but you, and bold enough to make it real. So, have a nice day everyone. Mora to. Bye.